All right, Rob, 12th tornado confirmed
12.
last Thursday night and Friday's storm event.
12 tornadoes.
Now, you think, is 12 like a record number? We did make history last week, but it's not because of the sheer number. Let's go to it. Most tornadoes in the shortest time. April 11th and 12th, 1965. Rob, we had 12 tornadoes in 5 hours. Last June 15th of this year, we had 12 tornadoes in 2 hours and 23 minutes. And now, Thursday and Friday, we had 12 tornadoes in a mere 1 hour and 29 minutes. That sets the record for Ohio tornadoes, the most tornadoes in the shortest amount of time, any time in Ohio history. Unbelievable. And that was just last week.